Subscribe to LearnCap and hit the bell icon to get notified.
Welcome guys to the next video. We are going to discuss about second technique, which is little complicated. Other three are very easy living this. So please concentrate very nicely. Integrated test facility. Snapshot was very easy. What is integrated test facility? What do you mean by integrated? Complete. We have to test whether system is good or not. Any system on which you are working, okay, we have to audit whether this is proper or not. See, these are concurrent audit tools or techniques. So we need to check whether the system on which we are working is proper or not. Be it any system, you can assume Tally or ERP. Keep one in mind and then we will go ahead. Which system you want to assume? Sir, I want to assume ERP. Sir, I want to assume Tally. No problem, do whichever you want, I don't care. Okay, so there are two companies here, Shraddha, Alia. We have to test Shraddha company's system is working properly or not. Let me assume ERP the higher one. Shraddha's ERP is working properly or not. One more time. I need to check Shraddha company's ERP is working properly or not. Okay. So what do I need to? And for that, I open one dummy company that is known as Alia. Sir, why are you opening dummy company in the entity of ERP? Why you are opening dummy? Let me explain you that later. So as of now, step 1, open dummy company. In dummy company, I will enter dummy data. Dummy data means a fictitious data to see whether we are getting proper results or not. If we are getting proper results, then Shraddha should also give proper results because system is same. They both are coming from the same ERP. I hope you are getting what I am trying to say. Step 1, open dummy company Alia. Enter dummy data in the dummy company to see whether we are getting proper results or not. If Alia is giving proper results, Shraddha will also give because the system is same ERP. I would like to ask you one question. What are we actually testing? Are we testing Shraddha? Are we testing Alia? Third, are we checking system of Shraddha? Are we checking system of Alia? What is the correct option? First tell me that, only then we can go ahead. Alia, Shraddha, system of Shraddha, system of Alia. Many of you have gone correct answer, and that is system of Shraddha. We are checking system of Shraddha, and for that we opened one dummy company in ERP, that is Alia. Sir, you should have done changes in Shraddha only. Why did you open dummy company? Nice question. If I do changes in Shraddha, financials will be affected. If I pass dummy entries in Shraddha, Shraddha's actual financial will change. So to test, I opened one dummy company, Alia. Inside that, I pass dummy entries. If Alia is giving proper result, Shraddha will also give because software is same. If I do testing in Shraddha, then don't touch Shraddha, otherwise the financial will be affected. So I am touching and doing lot of masti with whom? Alia. Are you clear? To see whether we are getting proper result, whatever entry you want to pass na. Lot of dummy entries. If Alia is giving proper result, Shraddha will also do because system is same. This is step 1, testing by dummy company, dummy data. Dummy company, dummy data. Some are also telling me, why don't you test by live data? Why don't you test by live data? Live data by tagging. Live data by tagging. In this, what we'll do? We'll tag the data operator. You know what is tag? Select. In Facebook, you tag your friend at the rate this, at the rate this. In Instagram, at the rate same. We will tag the data operator. What is the difference between live and dummy data? Which we are creating just for testing is dummy. Which is actual everyday entries of production, everyday entries of sale, everyday entries of purchase are known as live data. So we can also test by live data by tagging, in which as soon as we make entry in the original company, second effect will go in dummy company. If we tag the data operator, as soon as you are making entry in original company, second dummy, original, dummy, original, dummy, original. So as soon as you are making entry in Shraddha, automatically second effect is going to Alia. This way also we can test. Are you clear? This is testing by what data? Live data by tagging. In this, what happens? As soon as you pass the entry to original company, second effect of live data will go to dummy company. Okay. So Shraddha, Alia, Shraddha, Alia. Now, which is better, live or dummy? Okay, let me ask you one thing. Which one is more time consuming? Of course, dummy. We have to create the data. In live, we don't need to create. It is actual data. How time it will take? Any which ways that data is there. Are you clear? Which one is a more time? Of course, dummy. We have to create more variety. But of course, yes, more variety can also be covered in dummy. This is not a part of syllabus, but we are just doing for knowledge. Why in live less variety? Because testing is not done for 12 months. It might be done for 15-20 days. You do not do audit for the whole year. So of course in 15-20 days limited things will come of purchase, sale, inventory. But dummy, you will create more and more variety. You will try to test impairment entries, try to test depreciation entries, try to test other complicated depreciation adjustments. Okay, so more variety. But more time consuming because we have to create. Live is what? Less time consuming. If you understand this, well and good. Otherwise, not a part of syllabus. Now, over. At the end, what do? We will collect all the results of the system and see whether it is as per our expectation or not, whether controls are working properly or not. If controls are proper, system is proper. Control is not proper, system is not proper. Conclusion. Auditor will collect the result and see whether it matches with their expectation or not, to see whether controls are effective or over. So we can do testing by how many methods? Do live, dummy, live, dummy, live, dummy. Okay, I hope you got it. In case you did not get, what we'll do is do one more time. But this time we'll do from PPT, so you understand even better. Can we start? Yes, sir. So there are two companies. Do we need to check Shraddha or Alia? None. We need to check system of Shraddha, system of original company. Here we have assumed Shraddha is the original company. It is a real company. Don't make any changes in Shraddha. If you touch Shraddha, I will hit you. So for doing grand masti and doing lot of masti, we have opened what? Alia. In dummy company, enter dummy data to see whether we are getting proper result or not. If dummy company gives proper result, original will also give, because system is same. Are you clear? We can also test by live data by tagging. In live data by tagging, if we tag the operator, as soon as we make entry in original company, second in dummy, original, dummy, in the end collect all the result to see whether controls are working as per our expectation or not. Are you clear? Very simple. Live, which one is the more variety is consumed? Of course, more variety would be covered in dummy we are creating, but more time consuming also. Live, less variety, less time consuming. One extra question is given. How to remove effect of Alia? You have opened Alia, you need to close Alia also. This is in CA final, not in your syllabus, but still I want to explain. What is going right? Final, inter, one and the same. Are you clear? We are studying for life. How to remove effect of Alia? Reverse the entry. Debit, do credit, credit, do debit. If you reverse everything, effect 0. Or Marquez dummy. For every transaction of Alia, write A. So when income tax comes, why are you not paying taxes? We will say this is a dummy company created in Tally or ERP. See, we have written A for Alia, dummy. Don't delete it. Someone is saying, please delete. No, it is audit evidence. Okay. Now, this is the best way in which we can write, okay, that Alia Shraddha won't fetch you marks in exam and we have to pass in exams ultimately, right? I think that's the end objective. So, in order to test whether system is reliable or not, we'll do following steps. Very simple. I hope you're clear now. Okay. Open dummy company, Alia, we assume. Inside dummy company, enter dummy data. Step 2. Enter dummy data in dummy company to see whether we are getting proper results or not. If dummy company is giving proper result, original will also give, because system is step 3. We can also test by live data by tagging. Live data by tagging, in which as soon as we make entry in original company, second effect will go in dummy company. In the end, auditor will collect all the records and see whether controls are working properly or not. We'll collect the record and compare the result to verify if controls are working properly or not. I hope you are clear. In the end, collect the result to see, okay, whether records are proper or not, whether controls are working properly or not. Shall we read once from the book also? Yes, sir. We should read from the book also. But before that, please write this down. Integrated test facility. 1, 2, 3. 3 things, okay? Your time starts now. Integrated test facility, please write. Nicely write, a very important. Okay, next. Enter dummy data in dummy company. Also test by live data by tagging, in which as soon as we make entry in original company, second will go in dummy company. Done. In the conclusion we need to write, in the end auditor will collect the records and process the result and compare with the expected result to see whether controls are working properly or not. We will collect all the results of dummy company and compare with the expected result to see if controls are working properly or not. Now let's read from the book once. Write a short note on ITF, Integrated Test Facility. Concentrate very nicely. A small set of fictitious entities are placed in the master file. Please write what is the meaning of fictitious entity. Dummy company. The entity may be fictitious division, department, branch, customer, and create dummy transaction. So step 1, create dummy company, enter dummy transactions in the dummy company to see whether we are getting proper result or not. If dummy company is giving proper result, original will also give. These dummy transactions are processed along with regular records. They don't affect the actual records and employees are unaware of testing taking place. Transaction to be tested have to be tagged. This is second method. Are you clear? What do you mean by tagging? As soon as you make data entry in the original company, second effect will go in dummy. Application software has to be programmed to recognize and invoke two updates. See, they have given two updates. One to the live data, dummy data, live data, dummy data. At the end, auditor collects the ITF records and sees whether it is as per their expectation or not. Auditor compares the expected results to verify controls are working properly or not. In such cases, auditor has to decide what method to use to test the data. Which method is better, live or dummy? You tell. Sir, dummy. Sir, live. Auditor will decide. You have not become auditor yet. Why are you giving? I was just confusing you. And which method should be used for removal of transactions? How to remove? They have not given methods only for removal of transaction. We discussed two methods. How to reverse the effect of Alia? Reverse the entry. Mark as dummy. Which method to use? You should have given methods. Then asked how to remove effects. Are you clear? Okay. But very easy. Let's say it for ITF, Integrated Test Facility. You can tell me, in order to test whether the system is working properly or not, integrated system. Step 1, open dummy company. Step 2, enter dummy data in dummy company to see whether we are getting proper results or not. Step 3, we can also test by live data by tagging, in which as soon as we make entry in original company, second effect will go in dummy company. In the end, auditor will collect all the results to see controls are working properly or not. Okay, whether the result is as per expectation or not, and he can conclude whether controls are working properly or not. I hope you are clear. With this, two techniques done till now. Let's hear it for snapshot ITF. Rest three are very easy. Don't worry, it will be done very, very nicely. I hope you understood this too. Okay, second one was little difficult. First one is very, very easy. Snapshot ITF, ITF, snapshot ITF. See you with the balance techniques in the next video. Till then, take care.
Subscribe to LearnCap and hit the bell icon to get notified.